In this video, we are going to show you how to filter collections using tags. Now, of course, you need to be signed into your account, and once you are logged in and you are in your admin dashboard, look towards your left-hand side with your main menu and click on Products. Now, under Products, you have several options, and it's going to show you your products that are available right now that you have added to your product page. We want to click on Collections. And whether or not you have a collection or you need to create a new one, you can just click Add Collection to start a new one. It's very easy. But for this example, we have an existing collection, right? So click on Test Collection, like so. And once you are in this page, you want to look under Products, right? Here, you want to click Browse, right? So click on Browse. And we're going to see the available products that we can add to this collection. But what we want to do is click on Add Filter. This pop-up will appear, and you want to click on Tags. And then we want to, you're going to have several tags there if you have created tags for your store. We want to click on Clothing. And as you can see, it's going to show pants, right? And click do that. And then click Add. That's pretty much how you filter using tags. And like what I said, depends on how many tags you have. We only have one for this example, but for other people's stores, they're going to have several. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.